Hello, grade 10. So today we're going to solve some other absolute value equations. I got these questions from the previous assignment. Some of you sent me these questions. Some of you didn't know how to answer them. So let's start with this. First here we have 9a minus 7 inside the absolute value, then that's equal to 70. So we have the absolute value notation. Inside them we have 9a minus 7 equals 70. First of all, we need to check if this absolute value is not attached with any number. There's nothing, there's no factor here, for example, multiplied by it, and there is no addition or subtraction to another number. So we can just start solving this right away. We start always by having two values of for the equation. So first we have 9a minus 7, that is equal to, we already said that we have two values for this. Since it's equal to 70, that means we're going to use 1 times 70, sorry for this, and then the other one is going to be negative 70. So we start with 70, so 9a minus 7 equals 70, which means 9a is equal to 77, which gives us that is a equals to 77 over 9. This is the first answer. The second one, or the second possible answer, is we have 9a minus 7 equals a minus 70. So what we'll be having is 9a, that is equal to negative 70 plus 7, which is equal to negative 63. Yes, sorry, we have negative 63. So this leads us to a, that is equal to negative 63 over 9, which is the coefficient of a here. So these are the two answers. Okay, now let's do this one. We have minus k, the absolute value of minus k plus 3 equals 33. Okay, so this gives us minus 5k equals 30. This is the first thing we do, so we keep just the absolute value, no other number next to it or beside it. So here we're having the two values, which is one time we solved for 30 and the other time we solved for negative 30. So we have minus 5k, that is equal to 30, which means that is k is equal to negative 6, which is 30 over 5. And then we have negative 5k, that is equal to negative 30, which gives us that k is equal to positive 6, because we will be having negative over negative, which becomes positive. Okay, the other two questions that you had, one of them is, let's start with this, just putting the camera up. Okay, the first one is 10, that's a factor, multiplied by the absolute value of minus 6 minus 9p plus 1 equals 31. So the absolute value is only for negative 6 minus 9p. So we don't start solving until we keep this alone. So first of all, we need to eliminate the positive 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. So we'll be having 10 absolute value of negative 6 minus 9p equals, so we're subtracting, so this becomes 30. Then we're going to divide by 10, so we can just get rid of the number here. So by eliminating this, we are left with negative 6 minus 9p, that is equal to 3. Now we start solving. So one time for 3, the other time for negative 3. So here we'll be having minus 6 minus 9p equals 3, which means we take the 6 to the other side, so it becomes minus 9p equals 9, which leads into p equals negative 1. Now this is the first answer. The second one, or the second case, which is negative 6 minus 9p equals negative 3. So in this case, when we're moving the 6 into the other side, it's not adding, it becomes subtracting 3. So it becomes negative 9p equals to minus 3 plus 6, which is 3. So here, p is equal to 3 over the negative 9, which gives us negative 1 over 3. This is the second answer. Okay. The last question I got from you was the absolute value of 5x minus 7. Then we're done with the absolute value, and then we have minus 3 equals 9. Here again, we need to leave this absolute value notation alone, and we get rid of the 3. So by eliminating, we can just eliminate the 3 by adding 3 into both sides. So we'll be having 5x minus 7. Okay, this is the absolute value of it, that is equal to 12, which means we have 5x minus 7 equals 12, and we have another time, which is 5x, or another solution, equals negative 12. Now we just start solving. For x, here we'll be having 12 plus 7, which is 19. So x is equal to 19 over 5. This is the first solution. The second one, here we have 5x minus 7. I'll just do it right away, sorry. 5x equals minus 12 plus 7, which means we're subtracting here, so we're left with 5. So it's negative 5. And then x is equal to negative 1. This is our second solution. Okay. I hope this is clear enough. Please send me your questions, and follow the next assignment on Google Classroom.